Hi everyone, this is Joanne for Bramble Fox. How are you today? I am coming to you with super exciting new items for the shop. I cannot, even with these, they are so cute. They are for girls' night out or sleepovers or makeup days, pampering yourself. I love them. Oh my gosh. So of course, a dark pink and a light pink, and it says girls' night and girls just want to have fun. And now I just have that song in my head. Isn't that awesome? I love those. And then you get these little hexagons in all different colors. I like those. Those can be like little enamel dots, sort of like too. Love those. And then there's also this with shoes and perfume and lipstick and purses and little lips. Oh my gosh. So adorable. And then paper snips. This is number 44. Look at these sentiments. So cute. Slippers, perfume, shopping, makeup. Oh my gosh, right? So cute. So we're definitely going to use a whole bunch of these things. But I took a piece of white basil cardstock, cut it down to 11.5 by 11.5. And then I distressed the edges. Got a little carried away here and here, but I like it, so it's okay. I'm using the August Hip Kits, August 2023, and I just gutted that paper out so I didn't have to waste the whole inside. Pink and white border. And is this perfect for these perspectives? Oh my goodness, I love it. This is my niece-in-law, my nephew's partner, and the kids, my 3 great nieces. They went to the Barbie movie. This photo is not super high quality because it was inside the movie theater, but that's okay. We're going to use it anyways, right? So I took a strip of paper and then put darker pink border punch. It's just a border punch from Creative Memories. And I'm going to put that right there. I'm going to let this little tear that I accidentally made and went with go right there. I'm going to put it right there. So because this is an 11.5 by 11.5, this is slightly shorter, just a very tiny bit, like 1/8 of an inch, maybe smaller than that, because I just wanted the scallops of the border punch to match the edge of the paper, and it just came out like that, so I'm going with it. And then I'm going to take this picture and put it up here. I'm going to make it a little crooked. Doesn't need, you could put it straight if you don't like crooked, you could do that. I'm going to do this and then put this one over here. Media is all done. Let me show it to you up close. It came out really cute. I like how it just surrounds the photos. Looks cute. I put a little bit up there because I'm going to put a tag up there, and I just used what was left on the sponge and did a little bit of blotchy, like just went like this because it was just too empty and too white, and I like all the things. So we're going to decorate here and a little bit over here. It's going to be so pretty. So I've got, this is a chipboard tag, and that's the reason why I put some mixed media on the other side of that. I'm going to put that there. So had in these kits all this great tab and tags, circle. This is chipboard. It's got the black and white polka dot paper like this. I just thought that black and white polka dot, you know, the lights around the mirrors like in movies and stuff, I thought it looked like that. It would be perfect for a movie. I'm going to put this chipboard onto this. Put a little glue here in the middle. Give that some dimension here with this chipboard. Just making sure it's straight within the circle here, and I keep moving it. Okay, I think that's good. I'm going to put that right in the middle like that. I think that looks cute. And then this says, ah, love this. Adorable. Put that right below it. And then my title, I'm going to put this down now before I forget. I'm always forgetting. So I'm going to I put this on my thicker alignment ruler, and I'm going to say Barbie. This is where this awesome perspective comes in. Barbie girls just want to have fun. I thought that was cute. And I want to use these gold alphas because this tag has a gold here at the hole, and I'm going to put a little bit of gold around the layout as we go. So I use these, make sure that's pretty lined up in the middle there of this tag. And then what I do is I'm going to turn this to make it easier on myself. Put my whole thumb down like this, hold it, come underneath and flip it up like that, and then push. And that way everything is really straight. And then there we go. Those are adhered down. And Barbie girls just want to have fun, I think. Okay, and then I'm going to put those cute little lips in that pink color right there. So I think I'll just put a dab of glossy accents right on my paper, like that. And then use my tweezers to pick these little cute lips up and put them right there. And you do get fingerprints on your perspective, so I usually just go like this and wipe them right off. Next, I decided that this cute little lipstick would go right there, and it would bring in another pop of this hot pink. So I'm going to just put some glossy accents on that, and I put way too much on there, so I'm just going to take it with my finger and get some of it off. I don't need that much. Oh my goodness. Okay, and I'm going to turn my paper, put it right there. I'm going to hold it so it doesn't slide around. All right, that is so cute. Those perspectives are just adorable, aren't they? Okay, so let's make a little cluster over here. I have chipboard tab that says favorite in, it's got the gold lettering, and I want to bring in touches of this blue all around, some in the background, the paper that I backed the photo with here and here, because there's blue in the Barbie movie poster, so I want to definitely bring in some more blues all around. And I only glued my photos right in the middle because after I'm done, I'll go in and I'll put some more glue underneath. I wanted to be able to tuck things. So here is a ticket, like a movie stub. I thought that was perfect. I'm just going to slide this in here. And then this is cute. It's dream, wish, wish it, do it. Cute. I didn't say that very well. So this is higher, so I'm going to put a little piece of foam underneath that. Let me get some foam. Here, I got a little piece here. Just need some on the side here to make it level. So let me put some glue and just put that right there. Then I want this to be more crooked than it is. That's good. A little cupcake. It's got a star or something on it with some of the gold foiling. And I just thought, you know, snacks at the movies. I'm going to go ahead and put it in there for another little touch of the blue. And I should not have adhered that foam square just yet because I didn't tuck yet, but that's okay. We can do it. Put that right there. And then I'm going to lift this ticket up because I did not adhere anything to that yet. Okay, I have some hearts and butterflies. I might put it in there. These are chipboard stars. I just thought perfect for the movies and Barbie movie star. I'm not going to glue those down yet in case I want to move them around. So that's pretty good so far. I think I need this butterfly up here again for some more blue. We're going to build some clusters over here. So I picked out all this stuff. These are just fussy cut flowers from one of the pattern papers. And I just want to slip that in there, but usually I start like this. Put this in here. And then this was on the edge of the paper, so I'll just tuck that in and hide it. There we go. Get over just a little bit more. Yeah. All right, that's good. Being picky. Then there were a couple little fussy cut flowers in this darker pink color. And I thought I would just put that in there to match these. And I'm just going to slide those in there like that. And then here's an extra leaf just to bring that out there like that. Cute. And then I have a tag. I just ripped the bottom of it off so I could use that on a different layout. But this coming down the photo, I really like doing that with tags. Chipboard says Fun Day, matches this paper with some more of the gold foiling to tie this all in together. And then here is a tab with another tab that says So Good. Bring in some of that gold on this side over here. And I just want to push that in there like that. And then here is that purse perspective. I just have to use it. It's just the cutest thing I've ever seen, ever. I love it. Then I definitely want to use this piece of ephemera. It's a soda, the straw, because look what she's holding here. I just thought that matched perfectly. I'm going to slide that in here like so. Yep, just like that. Then I found this tassel in my stash. I usually use it for my mini albums, but I was thinking how adorable would it be for this to just be hanging off over here. I'll get the top of it underneath my photo here with my tweezers, just like that, and then have this, oops, just coming down like that. Little empty space right here. I found a little butterfly. We'll stick him right there. It brings in some more green, and that way we have two butterflies on the layout. And I think I am going to put that butterfly there just because. And then here's that paper snip. We will put some glue on it. Oh my goodness, if I can get my hands on it. Put it right here. I have stickers that I can use still and puppies. So let's go for the puppies first, of course. Gotta love us some puppies. Look at all the puppy stickers. I just, oh my god, I love puppies. This is a really cute pink ice cream. And I just might want to get him in there just to get it in there, because why not use it, right? So I'm not loving that. Maybe I could tuck it in here. Do some layering. Maybe that. This says all kinds of amazing. And normally I wouldn't put green on green, but it's two different greens. So I'm gonna go for it. I think I'm missing flowers. So these are like vellum flowers. Very cool. Let me see if I'll just sneak in a little floral in over here. Like that. And then I'll put this back in here. Just wanted a little bit of floral peeking out of there. I forgot to glue this down, which I'm kind of glad that I did, because then I could get those flowers in there. Alright. Then already flowers over here. Maybe I could put a floral, a little floral underneath this. So what I'm going to do, because I don't need a lot over there and I don't want to waste it, is I think I'm going to take one and I'm going to cut it right in half and use half here and half here. I like this one because it's got the blue. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. I'm just going to take half of the sticker. I'm going to turn my paper and put it over here just to have some more florals around the page. And then this one, I will take and just put it, I got a little teeny piece sticking off right there that I don't want. I'll put it right here. There, that way you get 2 pieces out of the 1 sticker. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, little visual triangle there. Let me give you some close-ups, and again, I'm sorry about the vacuuming noise. If you can hear that, I'm sure you can. The girls at the Barbie movies, look at that little purse. I can't, you have to grab that. They're so adorable. Love it. And then up here is from the Paper Snips, Classy and Sassy. Here we go over here. Girls just want to have fun. Lips, lipstick. Love it. Adorable. Okay guys, I am going to put close-ups at the end for you. I will link all the products that I used below. I hope you like this, okay? Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.